In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stripe to your Shopify store in 2025 with this updated method. Whether you're just getting started with e-commerce or looking to streamline your payment processes, this guide has you covered with simple, straightforward steps that will have you up and running in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the My Store homepage. This is where all the magic begins. From this central hub, you can manage everything related to your online store, including the crucial step of setting up payment processes. Let's dive right in. To start, locate and click on the Settings tab in your Shopify admin. This section is vital because it houses all the configurations that tailor your store to your business needs. From here, you have the ability to control everything from general preferences to more advanced settings. But what we're interested in today is a seamless payment setup, so let's keep going. Next, under the Settings menu, you'll want to select Payments. The Payments section is where you manage and configure all payment options available to your customers. Having a variety of payment options is key to reducing cart abandonment and increasing sales, so taking the time to set this up correctly is important. Once in the Payments section, you'll see the option to choose a provider. Go ahead and click on that. Choosing the right provider can significantly impact your customer experience, and Stripe is known for offering a robust and secure solution for online transactions. Now, when you click on Choose a Provider, a list will appear. In the search bar, type Stripe. Stripe is widely recognized for its ease of use and powerful integrations, making it an ideal choice for many online businesses, including yours. After you've typed Stripe, it will come up in the provider options. Go ahead and click on Stripe. This selection will now lead you through the process of setting up Stripe as a payment provider within your Shopify store. You'll need to sign into your Stripe account if you have one, or create a new account if you don't. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the connection between your Shopify store and Stripe. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Stripe into your Shopify store. This seamless payment gateway will allow your customers to complete transactions efficiently and securely, enhancing their shopping experience while keeping your store's back-end operations smooth and reliable. Remember, keeping your payment methods up to date is an essential aspect of running a successful online business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.